You. What up? All right. We got another short horror film.
Okay. Yeah, man. You know, it's been a while.
It has.
You know?
It has. It's been a while.
Hope y'all ready to get a little bit creeped out. You know what I'm saying?
I guess I am.
Yeah, man. So what we got?
This is Don't Peek. Short horror film. Don't Peek.
Don't peek.
Don't Peek.
Don't peek.
Yeah.
Because you never know what's gonna be there.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so well, let's go, man. I'm ready.
All right. Here we go. Nightlight Pictures.
Notice how we have a lot of lights on right now.
That's a scary name. Nightlight Pictures. Is that window open behind her? Is that a window behind her?
That is a window.
The heck kind of game is that? What kind of game is she playing?
It's like Sims, something like that.
Hey, what?
Something's on fire.
Man.
She didn't even go check. You didn't see the smoke. The fuck?
Okay, go check and see what the noise was.
Didn't want to check the smoke. Check now.
See?
Yeah, I thought.
Why are you laughing?
She was like, that's fucking incredible. Let's go.
Oh my God, see? Huh? You obviously have ghosts.
That should not be happening. It should not be happening right now.
Your room's obviously possessed.
This is amazing. I got a new controller for my room.
Some kind of she got some kind of voodoo doll room.
I got some new controller. Yeah, this weird stuff starts happening. Yeah.
See?
She didn't even want to turn around.
Run. Is that? Oh, that's the
Terrified
window
now.
behind her.
Oh, the door's open.
Why don't she have any lights on? Did she turn that on? What is she doing? Why would she just go to bed?
I don't know. She's terrified now.
I would have been out the house.
Oh yeah.
She tripping. She ain't even getting under the covers.
She's like, I'm just going to sleep. I just saw smoke, a drawer open, and I turned off all the lights with my phone. I'm going to sleep.
Oh my God! Listen, you gotta go. It's too late for her. She's already gone. She ain't even closed the door or nothing.
Yeah, man. No, now you're going back to the game with the weird shit. Okay.
Oh my goodness. You have a monster in your room.
The monster in the house.
Will you let me out? No! Ah! You better click no.
answer.
Man, this girl. Run the other way.
Be out the window.
Out the window. Make some aggressive movements. Ooh. What was that?
Yeah, you better get back on the game.
Woo! Woo! She looking at the game. Oh! Oh!
What is that?
She ain't even like.
Turn the game off.
This nigga.
Oh no, it ain't gone.
Turn the game off. How about that?
Now go to sleep.
See what happens when you turn the game off.
Go to sleep now.
Why are you turning the light off?
I don't control it no more. She tried to see if it was fake or something. It's fake. It's fake.
You better.
It ain't fake. It's really happening.
It's gonna come back.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Was that a brick?
Damn.
That was a good job. That was a game, man. Yeah, man.
I guess you have the person in the horror film has to be stupid. You're not gonna get somebody that's gonna immediately run out because then you don't have a movie.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly.
Because me, yeah, I would have just as soon as I heard it, I'd have been gone. All the lights would have been on.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I'd have been outside.
If I had to do it in the game or to run around, turn switches on. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Definitely the smoke. The smoke coming out the closet. There wasn't even a.
I think that was an incense.
Was it?
I believe so.
Okay, I thought I saw
think I saw
smoke.
the incense
I'm like, 'cause I
later.
heard the noise and I saw smoke, but it could have been like the drawers opening and stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But
There's a lot of mistakes on her part that led to her demise.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
come on now. Then the thing's messing with her. It gets under the cover. And they gotta be like, who the fuck is this? I would be like, Ron, is that you? Like, who that?
In his house.
Who this under the
For the
cover?
first time. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Nigga, all kind of stuff. Just the game. I don't know.
yeah, it was a weird game. When the game starts turning off lights in the house, you know.
Yeah, I'd been like, okay, let me get out of this room.
She thought it was cool.
Yeah, she's smiling at first.
And then it got weird. She's like, oh, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to sleep.
Yeah, why do they always do that? They just think everything's gonna be good when they go to sleep.
Yeah.
You don't even get under the covers. At least get under the covers and like peek over,
Like it's gonna
like you're
protect you or
scared.
something.
Yeah. I mean, shit. At least it just shows your mind frame. You trying to protect yourself. She ain't even worried about
I
that.
know they can protect you.
I know. It's just a mentality thing.
Yeah, I know.
When I used to get scared, I used to just cover my head.
Yeah, man.
It's the only thing that matters.
Yeah.
When I was smaller.
Frank walking around with some over his head.
I'm in bed. Nigga. Walking around. Walking around.
Nigga
somewhere
scared. Stupid. Yeah, man. Horror movies, man. Jump scare, man.
Yeah, that thing was ugly. Disturbing.
Yeah. Scare the fuck out.